We are a team of scientists, experts, and practitioners from the Danube-Carpathian Programme. Every day, we work to restore wetlands, protect biodiversity, and support sustainable development. We believe in democratic values. We believe that nature and people can thrive together. So why would a nature conservation organisation raise funds to support Ukraine's defenders? Yes, we are Ukrainians. Our children are growing up here. But this is not only personal. Listen carefully. These are not added sound effects. These are real recordings of air raid sirens echoing across Ukrainian landscapes. In moments like this, one thing becomes clear. Protecting the natural heritage is almost impossible without security. Where Russian forces occupy territory, natural areas cease to be protected landscapes. They become military zones, mined areas, scarred land. We have seen this in Donetsk, in Luhansk, in Crimea. Natural resources are extracted, land is devastated, institutions collapse. There is no space left for democracy, no space for civil society, no space for long-term environmental protection. Protecting Ukraine's nature begins with supporting its defenders, farmers, teachers, business and civil society who carry the war on their shoulders and are dying for the country and its natural beauty. Keep supporting Ukraine.